Hello everyone, the last topic of the chapter is mole concept. Okay, as I told you beforehand only that in case of molar mass or gram molar mass or gram atomic mass, unit will be G. That means you will consider or you will calculate the mass in the similar way. Okay, mass will be same but unit will be different. In case of molar mass or gram molar mass or gram atomic mass, unit will be G in place of U, unified mass. Am I clear to you? So it will be gram, not U. Okay. Now, what do you mean by 1 mole of any substance? Very important. 1 mole of any substance you can define in two ways. That substance may be atom, maybe molecule, maybe ion, maybe anything. Am I clear? Maybe a compound also. So, how we will define what is 1 mole of any substance? Okay. 1 mole of any substance is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 number of particles. This number is fixed, this is constant, and this number is called Avogadro's number. Okay, or you can define 1 mole of any substance as the molar mass of that substance. That means mass of that substance in gram. Okay, so for example, if you consider oxygen atom, 1 mole of oxygen atom you can define in two ways. If you consider number of particles, it will be 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 number of particles, or if you consider using mass, then it will be 1 mole of oxygen atom equal to 16 gram. Can you tell me what will be 1 mole of oxygen molecule? Can you tell me what will be 1 mole of oxygen molecule? It is O2. So mass will be 32 gram. Okay, so 1 mole of oxygen atom is 16 gram, but 1 mole of oxygen, that is O2 molecule, will be 32 gram. But 1 mole of oxygen molecule will be 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 number of particles. Am I clear to you? Now, taking mole concept, we have to do certain numericals. First formula you have to remember. If question comes, find the number of moles, then this will be the formula. Okay, number of moles equal to given mass by molar mass, or if particles are given, then number of moles equal to given number of particles by Avogadro's number. For example, if in the question you are having like this, calculate the number of moles of 6 grams of carbon atom. In gram it is given, so this formula you will use. So number of moles equal to given mass, which is 6 gram. Given mass means the mass that is given in the question, and molar mass, that means what is the mass of carbon atom. It is 12 U, but we will write here 12 gram because this is gram atomic mass. Okay, here you will write the unit as G. So after calculating you will get as 0.5 moles. Now if in question it is like this, find the number of moles of this number of particles. Now number of particles is given, so we will use this formula. Given number of particles, that means given number of particles means the number of particles that is given in the question. So this one you will put here. So and Avogadro's number. What is Avogadro's number? 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So this way you can calculate. Now similarly, if question comes, calculate the mass. Okay, from that formula only you can find. Calculate the mass of 0.1 mole of oxygen atom. Now this 0.1 mole means number of moles is given. You need to find mass means given mass that you don't know, that you have to calculate, and molar mass will be the mass of that particular substance. So here O2 gas is given, so oxygen means oxygen molecule is given O2, so mass is 32 grams. 16 plus 16, 32. So this way you have to write. Mass will come this way, and if you cross multiply, number of moles and molar mass gives us the given mass. So mass will be equal to number of moles multiplied by molar mass. Number of moles is 0.1 and molar mass of oxygen gas is 32 grams. So it is 3.2 gram. Now question may come, calculate the number of particles. Similarly, number of particles is asked but mass is given. Okay, but it is asked number of particles, not the mass. Okay, now number of particles is asked, so this formula you have to use. Given mass by molar mass into Avogadro's number. Okay, and for what it is asked? Oxygen atom. So number of oxygen atoms or number of particles of oxygen atom is equal to given mass is 32 gram. Okay, and mass of one oxygen atom is given. Now single oxygen, so 16 gram into Avogadro's number is this. So gram will cancel out, it will be 2. Here if you multiply you will get this number. Am I clear? So these are the problems, numerical problems that you have to do. This chapter is over, and I will provide you with extra questions and NCERT question answers in the notes. Am I clear? So those NCERT questions you will write in your copy, and for the last chapter I told you to write NCERT questions in the copy. So for both the chapters I want you people to write NCERT question answers in your class copy. Am I clear?